TP poles have been put back in storage, and you can tell the difference. The top ones I haven't treated yet, and the bottom ones I have. And man, I can tell you that linseed oil smells really, really good. Now for our next project. It is time to bring the PVC dome back into rotation. Oh, right behind it, here's a fun fact, or actually a fun bit of information. We have a EMT dome. This guy here is 22 foot high, which gives it a 44 diameter. This guy has been to Burning Man several freaking times. This thing is almost, or if yeah, it's about the same size as my old house. So it's about almost, I mean, not quite, but almost 2 stories high. Anyway, so we got to grab all this and put it all in the Mountaineer for transport. Now I need to grab a cover. We've got 3 of them up there, I think. Well, actually 2 that I can use. The first top one, that blue one right there, that is a template that I used to make the bottom one here, which was another template that I used to make the permanent cover out of. And I think that's a floor pan right there. So we need the bottom one out. Well, this ought to be darn interesting. Well, this worked out pretty good. I found a whole crate of pancakes. I got some big ones right here. I got some small ones. Oh, right there. These are for grommets. You know what? I don't think I put grommets on this. It was just a template. Yeah, this is going to work out great. Okay, I think we got everything. We made it. Now for the fun part. I get to unload. We got to take all this out of here and stash it over there somewhere. I've got all the struts in one spot. I went and grabbed one of the dome kits. This one is, I think it's for this dome, actually. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Let's look real quick, shall we? No, it's not. It's the builder kit. Okay, no problem, though. We can still use it. Well, these things are brand freaking new. I kind of hate to get them dirty. Oh, well. And something that's very important, we got my secret dome building book. It's got everything in there that I need, and this is going to come in. Here's one I built in 2013. Oh, that's this one. That worked out good. Let's see if I can't find that big one I built. This is the one I built in 2011. There's one in 2010. And it just kind of, you're not supposed to, well, you can look at that one. That's that one that's in storage right now. I'll roll in some better pictures. Oh, there we go. A little bit later. It's almost as big as my old house. Anyway, going through memory lane here. Let's forget, we're going to need, I think this is the one I did. I don't remember. Yep, this is it. All right, we're going to need this diagram to put this little guy together. Let the fun begin. Roll in hyperlapse now. Oh, friends, so many mistakes were made on this project. If you weren't laughing at me through the hyperlapse, you will be laughing after I explain what the heck I did wrong, which was a lot. First I thought, well, you know, I'm going to think ahead and go ahead and put the door in ahead of time. No, that design is for a whole different dome that is not this one. That's for one of the bigger ones. Okay, no worries. I still couldn't figure out why I couldn't get my pole count right. I had a lot more poles left over than I should have. And I do make extras. So I went through and grabbed the original diagram and started counting out. And I discovered, let's go inside here. And my hips are killing me. I think my hips are going bad. Ow. Where I screwed up is I only put in 4 originally. I left the 5th one out, which made the dome not right. On the plus side, you can see how flexible this PVC pipe is because I pulled it all together and I only broke one of them, and that's my fault. I broke that when I was actually moving the darn thing, and I'll show you that in a minute. But the rest of them held strong. Oh, whew. So after I put the missing section in, everything came together, and it came together quickly. And what I should have done, and what would have been the right thing and the smart thing, take it down, start all over again. But I was like, you know what? I've come this far. Might as well finish it off. Oh, we got to tighten this real quick since I'm here. No, I don't have my wrench with me. Crap. Now, once I get this all tightened down, theoretically, I can hang from it, and I weigh about 240, and it will support my weight with no problem at all. But I think what I'm going to do now is, I've got a mess from heck. I've got stuff all over the place. Had a heck of a time getting it. Hang on, we got to go underneath this real quick. Oh, God. Yeah, that's some pain right there. Ibuprofen tonight and some good old, Biofreeze. So I'm going to clean this mess up and get all the struts out of here that I don't need anymore. Then I'm going to decide what I want to do next. I'm probably, look at that, man. I got tape everywhere. Oh, here's the one I broke. Right there. No big deal. I'll keep the other end. I'm probably going to go ahead and call tonight since it is almost 6 and it's getting really freaking cold out. But I do have the dome at a stopping point right now where I don't have to worry about a high wind damaging it. Hey friends, welcome to day 2 of the build. Our goal is to get the door put on. Last night I went through my CAD and found the exact design for this dome and got smart and loaded most of the information on my cell phone. So that's going to help quite a bit. Let me explain how the door goes on. First thing is we got to remove this big section right here. Now if you notice on the poles, you've got a blue tape, then you got a blue brown, and that's basically I color coded everything, which I forgot. So anything with the blue will replace a blue pole up there. And then anything such as these, they've got yellow. That goes to the center section. And I did add some more supports than I thought I did, so that's what was throwing me off yesterday. But we got it figured out. So yeah, that blue replaces a blue pole, which probably goes down there somewhere. Hey, there I am. Hello, how's everybody doing? And then this one right here, that is going to be the storm bar, which I don't think we're going to need, but I'll put it in anyway. And so on and so forth. So basically, if I read the diagram right, we got to line up a lot of the coloring. Okay, so hopefully we can get this done today because I'd like to get started on the cover, which will be another video because tomorrow through the rest of the weekend it's supposed to just rain and snow and everything else. So I'm going to get the cover on the dome. Would be nice. Okay, here we go. Insert hyperlapse. Hang on, let me get in the right position. Now. I would say success. We have the door on. I was very confused for a brief second. As you notice, we got all these extra parts right here. I discovered this is part of another dome that somehow got mixed in with this one. No worries. I just marked that. I'm going to mark that and we're going to throw it to the side and hopefully that won't happen again. These are all the pieces we got left over, the section we pulled out. And I do have extra pieces in the van for just in case I break one like I did yesterday. But anyway, let's take a look at the door. Once I got going on it, it didn't take that long at all. Basically, you just line up all the colors. And I forgot how to do that. But it's on there nice and secure. Very happy with it. Now, if I was a little concerned and there was a storm coming, this is the storm bar. And it goes from there to over here. But if you notice, we got the thread side out on this bolt, and I'm going to use that to hold the cover on. That'll be the next video. A couple other quick tips as I stumble upon my words. One, people are going to ask why I do not use power tools. I can't feel these start to bind up if I use the air ratchet, so that's why I do it by hand. Another tip, if you're going to leave this up permanently, once you get, now you can see there's a lot of pressure on this connection right now. You can see that, but you still got your big gaps. Once you get to this point, you heat it up with your heat gun, and then you go ahead and torque it down, and it would stay. If we torque it down now, That's going to put excess pressure on the strut and eventually break that. Then there's a couple of them that are, let's find another one. Back here is good. Yeah, like this one here. Not everything's lining up perfectly. And that's how you would solve that problem. But since this is going to be 100% temporary, I'm really not going to worry about that. Then we got our section here. So I think, oh, I'm going to show you one more thing. I went ahead and mounted the anchors. Oh, there I am again. On the bottom section here. Ouch. So we can anchor it down just in case the wind comes up when I'm putting the cover on. And I am going to have to level that up a little bit more because she's way off level. And it's kind of torquing the dome a little bit. All right, I think that's going to wrap it up for this section. Basically, to recap, we got the dome put together. We got the door on. In the next video, you're going to see me attach or put the tarp over the top of it and then attempt to attach it to the dome. All right, friends, comments are more than welcome. If you have questions, tips, or anything else, please leave them in the comment section. And like always, friends, thanks for watching.